slay Paris, slay, slay, slay Paris, slay Paris, slay Paris, slay, slay, slay Paris.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Hey Paris here. I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna upload this on Hey Paris or Slay Paris, but wherever this is uploaded to, what's up? How you doing? I hope you're doing great. So as you can see by the title of this video, it's a very exciting day for me in my household because I got my Forever Mood candles. I actually got them like 2 weeks ago, but I didn't get the time to record it. But I actually never ever smelled any of these candles yet, not even one. So I'm really stinking excited right now. I got the bundle pack, which has all 4 of the candles in it. And if you don't know what Forever Mood is, then you are probably stuck under a rock. So let me just explain to you really quick. Forever Mood is Jackie Aina's new brand. It's like a lifestyle brand. So they have like silk headbands, silk pillowcases, and they have these candles. Like, y'all, it's about to smell real good up in my crib. That's all I gotta say. I'm really excited. Okay, so first things first. Although I haven't smelled the candles, I can smell the candles through the box. Through the postage box, actually. When I picked it up at Canada Post, my post office, and she gave me the box, I was like, I know exactly what's in here because it smells like deliciousness. What are you talking about? Jacket. Let's start with the packaging, okay? I don't know what this is called, but you know when you feel a packaging and it just feels like velvet, but it's not? That's the feeling that this box has. It just feels so good, and there's no way in hell I'm throwing this box away. And then it says, open to get lit. You know a bitch stay lit, so we opening this shit. Ba-dow! Mood activated. And it says XOXO Jackie Aina. We got all 4 of the candles. Caked up, left on red, matcha business, and cuffing season. Y'all, we're gonna smell this together. And I know I'm a little bit late. I know there's probably like a million reviews out there already, but like, I'm sure somebody's interested on how I feel about them. You feel what I'm saying? So first things first, packaging, quality, A1. Let's start with, which one should I start with? Which one should I? Let's start with Matcha Business. Okay, Matcha Business is the green candle. And can I just say, I love the name of these candles. Instead of it being like birthday cake or a cherry blossom or roses in the field, it's hella relatable. Matcha Business. Matcha damn business. Okay, Forever Mood engraved at the top of the candle. The bottom has some, look at me, I'm just like trying to waste some time because I'm so excited to smell it, but I also don't, you know when you like anticipate something and you don't want it to start because you don't want it to finish? That's how I'm feeling right now. So I'm trying to waste time right now. But at the bottom, it has some burning tips for you and some warnings. The first warning is this candle is addicting. That's okay. That is all right. All right, I'm gonna smell it for the first time. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Y'all, can I put a scenery to each one of these candles for you so you could understand? Whoever's outside, just drive your car and go. We don't have time for this. Just go. Thank you. This smells like, whew. It smells expensive. It smells like I'm in someone's mansion and this is the candle that they're burning. It smells like matcha. It smells delicious, delectable. While I'm smelling it, I'm just envisioning myself in like someone's big ass mansion in Beverly Hills or something, and all of the rooms smell like this. And I ain't mad at it. Delicioso. I just want to lick it. I just want to lick it. It smells like luxury. It smells like wealth. It smells like someone who's arrogant but for a reason. Like someone who would be like, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Can you... don't touch me. That's what it smells like. And I love it. Bougie as hell. The next one we're gonna try is left on red. Because I have a feeling cuffing season's about to be my favorite. Oh my gosh, stop. Wait, nostalgia. Hold on, what does it smell like? Stop, hold on. Bitch. This smells like, ooh. That's what it smells like. It smells like, woo, woo. It smells like, oh, I can't even say candy. It's just, it's a smell that I've smelled before, but I cannot put my finger on it at all. It kind of smells like a, I could be completely wrong, but it kind of smells like a grape soda, but like not a grape soda and not candy either. Like it's not a childish candy smell. It's a very elegant, sweet. Oh, I can't even explain it. It just smells so damn good, y'all. I think I'm gonna burn this, right? I can't burn it. It's too good to burn. That's the problem. When you buy something and you're like, how can I use this? It's just too damn good. That's when the problems set in. But this smells like a very fun, flirty candy smell. Like it's reminding me of Nerds. I don't know if you guys have Nerds in your country, but it smells like grape Nerds. But it's not a childish scent. It smells so elegantly candy-ish. I fucks with it. I fucks with it heavy. I fucks with it heavy. That was left on red. Next, we're gonna try Caked Up. Woo! Stop. Stop. What are you doing? Why would you smell this good? That's so disrespectful. Okay, honestly, can I be straight up with y'all? Forvr Mood is hella disrespectful to Bath & Body Works because Bath & Body Works could never. They just lost a customer. I'm so sorry about it. Wow. This is like a sexy cake. It's, again, not a childish cake. It's not a kitty vanilla scent. It's like a grown and sexy, sweet vanilla fragrance. Hella good. Hella good, y'all. Oh my gosh. I want to eat this too. I just want to take my tooth and just scrape a little bit and just eat it. Like, I really do though. Can I? Okay. Oh, delicious. It smells like a real ass cake, like you're in a bakery, but the cakes are like $79 for a slice, like an expensive, sexy caked up scent. I love it. And the last one is Cuffing Season. I feel like this is gonna be my favorite because of the name, Cuffing Season. I'm thinking sexy. I'm thinking Valentine's Day. I'm thinking honeymoon. I'm thinking, you know, getting it on or whatever. Like, that's what I'm thinking about when I think about Cuffing Season. So let's see. Oh, yes. What? It's like I just jumped out. This smells naked. It smells like I just jumped out the shower naked and sprayed myself with some expensive perfume. And now my man don't know how to act. That's what this smells like. Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Holy, this needs to be a perfume. I'm sorry. Jackie, I know if you ever watch this video, can you make this into a perfume? This smells so stinking good. Wow. This literally smells like a sexy lady. Smells like me. And it's everything I just said. Honeymoon, Valentine's Day, a night in with your boo, bitch, a proposal. Like, this is 100% a baby making candle. This is a baby making candle. You trying to get pregnant, girl? Just light this one time, shoot. Oh, and like I said, I knew it. It's my favorite. Cuffing Season is 100% my favorite. After Cuffing Season, I like Left on Red. Then I like Caked Up and Matcha Business, kind of the same. But Cuffing Season is hitting. That one slaps. They all slap, but Cuffing Season, shit. If I got that in a perfume, shit. Y'all gonna have to hide your mans, even though I don't want them, but they gonna be on me if I get that in a perfume, shit. And these candles have a burning time of 65 hours and are 100% natural coconut soy wax. Get out of here. You need to leave. You need to leave. You need to go. I'm really excited to burn these. Like, I'm really excited to burn these. Y'all don't even know. I feel like I'm gonna burn Left on Red tonight because I feel like having some me time, which means I'm gonna leave y'all on red. Y'all gonna be texting me, asking me where I'm at, and I'll be burning my candle, sipping on some wine, having a good time by myself, and that's on period, okay? Anyways, guys, let me know if you grabbed anything from Forvr Mood. What did you get? What do you love? What do you recommend for me? Because I didn't get the headbands or the silk pillow, but I would love to know your thoughts on those products as well. I'm so sorry about it, Bath & Body Works. You will not be seeing me. Forvr Mood has taken your spot. That's just what it is. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about it. I would really like to apologize. That's the end. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm about to burn this candle and get tipsy. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, alright? Toodaloo!